Hey guys, we're back. So this is a little educational video. I'm gonna do my best to do this because, like I said, it's on the phone. I don't have a camera. I don't have editing equipment. I'm gonna try this with one shot, but it might be a few small clips just because moving things around. But if you have one of these 3-ton Harbor Freight jacks, the one problem that I've already had twice, and I've seen online a lot of people have, is this thing right here. See how it's down like that? It's not even. It pretty much gets on locked up, jammed up. So basically these two bolts right here, you take them off right here. That goes to this. Like I said, if I had like a stand for my phone, I'd do a more in-depth video. But this thing with where'd it go? Big flathead screwdriver. You can pry that off. All you're gonna do is take some brake clean, PB Blaster, WD-40, clean out, spray it out, and then do some white lithium grease. That's going to re-grease it. Now here's the thing where it's going to get you. While you're pumping your jack, this side seems to never lock up. It's just this side. It will keep pumping. It won't stop. But once you hit pressure, it will not bring the car up anymore. You need both of them. So what we're going to do is, see if we can do this with you guys on the thing here. You're going to somehow, some way, take that off. And I forgot how we did this last time, but there we go. Oh yeah, there you go. So basically, I didn't even show you guys. I took the screwdriver, got under this lip on the bar, and used it to pry it up. Everything pulls right out. Once again, I apologize, guys. I know I wasn't able to really. I mean, shit looks pretty clean, but it's in there. So what you want to do, first thing we're going to do is take this disgusting can of WD-40, just spray that out. It's spraying. I don't want to do it on the carpet. I'm going to spray this spring up. Spray this whole thing. Carpet, spray this guy. Yeah, I'm on a second video. Sorry guys, doing this one hand, trying to show you how to do this to save you guys. I mean, these jacks aren't the most expensive, but they're not cheap either. I think it's like 300 bucks. But they're great jacks. They work good. It's just, this is a common problem with these things. But yeah, we're just gonna get this there, some of the blaster while we're at. No, might as well hit this side. Alright. What's up, boy?
Not much. How you doing?
Just fix this stupid jack that keeps locking up. Let's see here. Yeah, you know what? While we're at it, let's just take the side off. So see, this comes right off like that. Easy peasy. You get your screwdriver under here. This comes right out. Easy peasy. Same deal, we're just gonna flush this thing out. So I was wrong. This was the side that got locked up last time. Now it's that side. Yeah, we're definitely gonna clean this mammer jammer out. Mosquitoes. Don't like mosquitoes. As the thing just gets jammed up in there, locked up, and brake cleaner. Just keep spraying that thing. Comes out clean because, you know, there's just a lot of, you know, contaminants and stuff get in there. Now, oh, forgot to wash off the part. This part's pretty good. PB Blaster. Yeah, I recommend if you're gonna do one, you might as well just do them both because preventive maintenance, right? Alright, I'm gonna take some of this white lithium grease. Oh god. Let's fill that whole thing with it. I feel like this is a little thicker than that, but there you go. Once again, guys, like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. Now we got that on. Put this back. Slide that back in there. Put this top on top of it. Same with this one. There it is. Slide all that back in there. Get this top back on top of it. And honestly, guys, that's pretty much all there is to it. I will refill the jack oil. I think my jack oil is actually at another place where I keep my tools in the garage, just because here I have a basement that looks like a freaking dungeon and just gets nasty down there. So I mean, look at this bottle, you know. Yeah, I keep this jack outside now. I used to be in the garage. It's in a under closed porch, but yeah, definitely could use a garage. But yeah, I will put jack oil in it, but I mean, as is, it should work good. I'm gonna put it back together. So you want to get your little nubby thing. How we're gonna do this one-handed, I don't know, but we're gonna do it, guys. We got the nubby things in there. All right, try to line that guy up. Also, this is all you need. Excuse me, that was gross. I have the socket size for it. Once again, in the garage, and like a place like 15 minutes away from here. But this right here does a job. You only need for one side. You don't need for both sides. I'm gonna put the phone down for 1 second because I gotta use two hands to get this in there. I was trying to sit up so y'all can see, but hold on. All right. Now, yes, this is a bigger pain in the butt because I don't make sure that thing in there is lined up. I don't have a thing, so it's just gonna go slowly. Oh, it's not lined up. Alright guys, like, I don't know. Let's just make this a longer video. You can just fast forward to the end. I just think it kind of be a waste of time doing a short just to show it working afterwards, you know what I mean? And I know. Just edit it so we can see it. I'll try, but like I said, I don't have a computer. I know, I'm ancient. I'm doing this all with my iPhone. So, until I could get a computer and actually edit videos and cut out all the nonsense, you guys are just getting it as it is. But hey, look at the good side. You're literally getting the video raw, uncut, unedited. So if there's any mistakes made, you're seeing it. You know, it's not like these other videos where they come into a jam like, oh, let's fix it off camera. And then this thing won't go in. You know, let's fix it off camera, guys, so people don't see it, and we'll show the finished product. You're seeing it as it's going. Give me 1 second to fix this. This one's not locking in for some reason. Apologize about that, guys. I'm gonna try if I can edit this so you don't have to see the phone being placed down every 2 seconds. I will. This thing is not going in, which it will. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. I apologize again. You know, put the phone like this. I'm not sure what y'all can see, but there we go. That's the best I can do for now, guys. Alright guys, so just so you can see, so I'm gonna waste your time with this piece right here. They're both going down, both coming up, jack's going up. That's it. It's fixed. It's gonna take a minute for this to line up right, so I don't wanna drag you guys out with that. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope it was educational, and also hope it saves y'all money on your jacks. Like I said, I mean, all you really need is the brake clean and some lithium grease. I just throw the rest stuff in for whatever. But yeah, that's it. Save your jack, save some money. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.